Title: From Awareness to Action. The relationship between financial literacy and monthly saving habits of grade 12 TVL students at Lusaka National High School, Senior High School. Abstract: Our research focused on grade 12 TVL students from Lusaka National High School, and we wanted to find out how their financial literacy affects their saving habits. We use a quantitative correlational design, which means we collected data using questionnaires and analyzed how one variable is related to another. After analyzing the results, we find that the students have a moderate level of financial literacy and also a moderate level of saving habits. The statistical test showed a moderate positive and significant relationship between financial literacy and saving habits. This means that students who are more financially literate tend to save money more often. In conclusion, our study suggests that improving financial literacy can help students develop better saving behavior, which is an important skill for managing money responsibly in the future. Background: The background of our study explains why we chose to focus on financial literacy and saving habits, especially among TVL students. Financial literacy is very important because it helps people make wise financial decisions like budgeting, spending wisely, and saving money. However, even though many students know the importance of saving, Filipino students often struggle to save consistently. This issue is particularly relevant for TVL students who will soon enter the workforce and need practical financial skills to manage their earnings properly. Our research aims to fill the gap in existing studies by focusing specifically on the saving behaviors of TVL students. By doing this, we hope to understand their level of financial literacy and how it influences their saving habits.
Objectives: 1. To determine the level of financial literacy of grade 12 TVL student in terms of budgeting, saving, spending control, and goal settings. First objective: to measure student knowledge and skill in handling money, especially in budgeting, saving, spending, control, and goal settings. 2. Identify the level of monthly saving habits based on budgeting, setting saving goals, saving before spending, and expense tracking. Second objective: to analyze student actual saving habits, how they plan, set goals, saving before spending, and track their expenses. 3. To determine the significant relationship between financial literacy scores and monthly saving habits. Third objective: to find out whether there is significant relationship between student financial literacy knowledge and their saving habits behavior. The study benefits: first, students encourage saving disciplines. The study encourage them to practice better saving habits and be more disciplined in handling money. Second, teachers guide in improving lesson. The result can guide teacher in creating or improving lessons related to financial literacy. Third, parents help them support children money habits. It helps parents understand how to support and influence their children's financial behavior at home. Third, policy support financial literacy programs. The fund can help developing strengthening financial literacy program for students. Researcher serve as reference for future studies. The study can serve as a reference or basis for future research or financial literacy and saving habits.
Methodology. In this study, we applied a quantitative correlational research design to examine the connection between two variables, financial literacy and spending habits among grade 12 TVL students. The data were gathered through validated questionnaires to ensure accuracy and reliability. After collecting the responses, we analyzed them using descriptive statistics to summarize the results, and Spearman-Rho correlation to measure the degree of relationship between the variables. We also observe ethical consideration, such as obtaining participants' consent and maintaining the confidentiality of their information. Next is result and discussion. This part presents and interprets the finding derived from the collected data. Through the use of Spearman-Rho correlation, we identify the relationship between financial literacy and spending habits among the respondents. The analysis revealed the extent of their correlation, showing whether students with higher financial literacy also demonstrated more responsible spending behavior. Discussion further explained the meaning of this result in line with the objective of our research.
Conclusions. Financial literacy significantly influences student saving habits. Those with better knowledge manage money and save more consistently. However, students still need support and programs to build stronger saving habits and long-term goals. The study shows that students who are more financially literate manage their money better and save more regularly. However, many still need guidance and programs to strengthen their saving habits and set long-term financial goals. Recommendations. Students, practice budgeting and saving before spending. Teachers and schools, include financial literacy workshops. Parents, encourage and discuss saving habits. Researchers, study other strands or add new variables. Policymakers, continue promoting financial literacy programs. Based on our findings, we have a few recommendations. For students, practice budgeting and make it a habit to save before spending. For teachers and school, we suggest including financial literacy workshop to help students manage money wisely. For parents, encourage and talk to your children about saving habits at home. For researchers, future studies can explore other strands or add new variables to get deeper insight. And for policymakers, we recommend continuing to support and promote financial literacy programs for the youth.
This slide shows our bibliography, which includes all the studies and references we use as the basis for our research. Here are our photo credits. This shows the sources of the pictures, tables, and the questionnaires we use in our study to make sure proper acknowledgement is given.